Hi, I'm Michael Josh, and you're watching GadgetMatch. We're here in San Francisco, and just hours ago, Samsung unveiled their latest flagship smartphone, the Galaxy S10. That phone will be available later this March, but why wait? We have it already. You know what you're watching. This is our Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus unboxing. Okay, if you're a subscriber, you've probably already seen the S10. If not, click up here to watch our hands-on video. But this might be your first look at the phone in its actual retail packaging. I like this year's box design. Love the big bold font in silver. Okay, here it is, and as you can see, we have the Plus model. Let's lift up this lid. And immediately, we are greeted by the phone. Today, we're unboxing the S10 Plus in Prism White. Ooh, looks good. But let's set it aside for later. Here are the rest of the accessories. Okay, first up, an adaptive fast charger. Next, a USB-A to USB-C adapter. Inside the sleeve, a USB-C cable. And this tiny fella, a USB-C to micro USB adapter. And last but not the least, AKG headphones in white. Oh, and under the lid, there's something hiding. Let's pull up on this tab, a SIM tray ejector, and inside, a quick start guide. Okay, now to take a closer look at the phone. Wow, this is the first time I've seen the Prism White version, and I really like it. It has a pearlescent quality to it that shimmers in many different colors depending on the light. And when you flip it around, you can see the dual cameras up here on the right-hand corner. And that was our Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus unboxing. I know you want to see more of this phone, but that's what hands-on videos are for. And if you want to watch that, you can click over here to see that full video. It's pretty exciting. Our review video is coming really soon, so to make sure you don't miss any of that content, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we post new videos. Follow us on social media for all the fun stuff, and as always, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. From here in San Francisco, I'm Michael Josh. Thanks for dropping by.